Shubor na Khlem jong unong san Hima.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Kajala Oba Prestone Tensong ha kabay David Kajingja sya paniap I hybrid in sapira ling do maunai Nongrah Nonglumbre ula kentui ki kenhun pulit bakin ti benia ya Jingtohkit bana ka ikadaw ba Khynnah obala suba paniap shumla Pyntip ni yathu Kloi syaki Bahaïing ha kapor balaja katiga Jingja habakran jekila pathai kubor ha kasngi balang uloong bagi kenhun pulit kidang yai Tohkit halor katiga Jingja lakadon ka aka shalendet umtaw lakentu banyai sya bat ki pulit namar kidang penlong ya ka Jingtohkit bat ongru ban pet ka aka badon shalendet ketika Jingja sya peniap.
The police team, we have already given the statement. So see what happened was because that boy, he was also only 12, 13 years old. That boy, he already confessed everything. I think we came out with his statement. So that statement, continue. But of course, I've already instructed the SIT also to go further deeper. Why it happened? Why that unfortunate incident happened that way? And number two, why that boy did not inform immediately about this incident? Why he kept quiet? Why he pretended as if he don't know anything? So the team is still on to really get into a deeper facts where if I personally feel if they have any kind of hiding somewhere here and there, accept the report or the statement made by the police, personal police officers. But let me tell you one thing, they are the one who does the investigation. So, and the investigation is still inconclusive. That's what I'm saying. Let us wait. Let us see what is more behind the scene. We are yet to do. We are yet to confirm that. So I'm very sure we will be able to get all the factuality in due course of time.
So